next up for our stocks breakdown this morning is GameStop, or ticker symbol GME. We're starting from a higher time frame. This allows us to find our support and resistance lines, our exits, our targets, our stop loss, and all that good stuff, okay? So let's go ahead and dive in. So pre-market, we're down almost 3% for the morning, and then yesterday we were down almost 11 or 12%, you guys. So a total of almost 13 or 14% within the matter of 48 hours, you guys. So I'm going to explain these support and resistance lines for our new viewers. This top line is our major resistance. You can see that we have candlesticks on the opposite side working as support, and on the below it working as resistance over here. And this has been tested multiple times, so this is a heavily tested area. Back down here is our major support line. You can see that we bounced over here. This candlestick wick is touching this major support line over here, and then underneath we have resistance over here and over here. So these are heavily tested areas. This middle line is our minor resistance. You can see that we were getting rejected on this side and then over here. A couple of weeks back, when we were over in this area, I told you guys if we could push up and break above this minor resistance and further confirm that buyers are stepping up, that could be a good entry, but we never did. We came back up here and tested it and starting to pull back. We're creating a new low. This morning we're actually around the 139, so we're even lower than we were yesterday. And if we look left, we broke all these candlesticks over here. So we are in this clear downtrend. Even on the RSI, we're below the trend line on the... I'm sorry, this is the RSI. The RSI shows that we're oversold, you guys. And that doesn't mean that we can still pull back some more. So keep that in mind. And on our trend line, like I said, we're below the trend line. Let me have a look at the volume before we start getting into ideal entries. So the volume is at 99,000. We like to see stocks above 150,000, you guys. Anything below that, you're going to be in a very, very slow moving stock. So keep that in mind, you guys. All right, so let's go into our ideal entries, okay? So we know that we're in a clear downtrend. We know where our next major support line is, and that's back down here at the $120 level, okay? So if we can pull down to the $120 level, since it is heavily tested, this could be a great ideal entry. If you have your stop loss underneath these candlestick wicks over here, maybe at the 114, or you can have it a little bit lower at the $94 area. That depends on the type of trader you are. If you're planning on holding long term, or a day trader, or a scalp trader, these will vary depending on the way you trade, okay? But the entry will still be the same around the 119, or let me zoom in some more. Yeah, it's going to be around the 119 or $120 area. You guys could be the ideal entry. Your first target would probably be back up at the $152 area, and then your second target being back up at the $197 area. Okay, you guys, getting in right now at this moment in time with us being in this downward trend and breaking new lows, you guys, would not be the smartest idea unless you're shorting this stock. We want to at least just wait for further confirmation that buyers are stepping up, and we can do that by waiting for us to pull back down to the support line and to see what happens from there, okay? I like to make these videos as fast and as efficient as possible, you guys, and if I did that, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content every single day, or every single morning, Monday through Friday. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.